Happy Motivational Monday, everyone, where we deep clean, declutter, and reorganize one small space a day, Monday through Friday. Let me take you through what we're going to do this week. Day one this week is dusting all of the picture frames and cleaning the glass on the front of them. This is through the whole house. Day two, we are going to vacuum the couch. As you see, first, we had a lot of laundry pile up from yesterday, but we kind of had a long school day yesterday, so I tried to focus more on school. I tried to focus more on school than I did the laundry, so it's okay. We're gonna knock out the laundry. Also, whenever I vacuum the couch, I take all the throw blankets and put them in the washer. So I'm gonna start actually with taking the throw blankets off the couch and putting them in the washer. Laundry's been cleared off, the blankets are off of there. So here is a trick I actually learned from my brother-in-law who does pest control, and also another trick from my grandma who is like my example for being a good homeowner and taking care of my things. Throw pillows that cannot be washed can sometimes still be tossed in the dryer for no more than 10 minutes with either a dryer safe spray-on fabric softener or a used dryer sheet, and it will freshen them up like no other, and it works. And also, like, if you know, I hate mentioning this, but like if you ever get head lice or anything, my brother-in-law also says that, like, for times like that, take your throw pillows off your couch and throw them in the dryer for 10 minutes on low heat or on high heat if they can tolerate it, and it kills the bugs. So I'm not doing it for that right now. I just want to freshen them up. So I'm going to take these with a used dryer sheet and toss them in the dryer so that I can take the couch and start working on it. What I'm going to do is, it's right up against the windowsill, so I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to vacuum like right around the back edge here. And I also, when I'm doing it, I will pull the couch all the way out and I will vacuum under it, because like you can see, some of the Connects fell under there the other day when the kids were playing with the Connects. So I'm going to pull it out, take care of all that, and then I will actually get on to removing the couch cushions and vacuuming in the couch and the couch cushions themselves. Day 3, we are going to be going through the kids' travel bags. The kids keep changing and growing because, you know, they don't stop growing. So the goal is to go through, take out anything that they are too old for, throw away like coloring books that they have finished off. It's been a while since I actually went like completely through these bags, so I'm gonna take another sweep through and check and make sure that there's only things in here that they actually want. Day 4 this week, instead of following my chore chart that I've been following of little things to deep clean, declutter, and organize for right now while we're at home, this came in today. So right now we are doing these, and you'll see a whole nother video another time. We're actually filming it right now of putting these together, where they're gonna go, and what it's gonna look like when it's finished. Day 5 is cleaning the vacuum. I take it outside to take this apart, knock all the dust out of it. Then I'm going to take it inside, wash the filter, and wash the inside piece. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.